And it's been a while. Abraham update about Oheneba David. Now we see now Oheneba David obekasa. On say okasa ya tekakra. Na obekasa no okasa fa Bishop Duncan Williams. Ni nsema na so obekan a wo kire mu se yemfa mpaye na entu galamsey ase no. Oheneba David so obekasa. Also on say bi kakra eka. Na wo ka no wo kire mu se anya bia papa mpaye a wo bɔ no. Papa ni mu ba, omoma ne ba. Ne onfa nsa ne ba yare ko ne ba. Ehia mo akora se ne Ghana papa so bo mpaye eriasa Ghana nsu yare no Oheneba David abeclash words of Penyah Bishop Duncan Williams me dem ha na mo as mo host Penyah medwudwa mo amwacha ase no akere wa adwen de amame comment section best was what awroma obemi subscribe button the so then dey kwans obetani notification icon on for latest update eya no akere wa adwen de amame comment section ho no awo so ama onu aso enya bi ahwe no be kanfo NGX ena de ama all kinds of plumbing works bia there. Frewo mu no me say adwuma de nyina famam omadwuma ho tepa ye lay pipe water closet day all kinds of plumbing work bia there for NGX na o me say adwuma de informal na o mu say tunsuo bo time kro bedwa bo no atunsuo e de amount and say to swimming pool solar panel installation so o mu eye bi dum so e cost you any power plant installation ade be fa engineering ho bia there for NGX limited na o mu bo so e wo from pa o mu number no e na da say na ohwe na o from agana be bia o meba abi odwuma no e de ama kama pa abra ifin bia na say problem bia ema ho. Let's go to the story. Galamsey beda no kwankro abatena Ghana shebere so yentimi ntu Galamsey ase na me anya me nwanwan na we say me na minimum say this government eba na they have zero they can't do anything about Galamsey. I got to know this from 2022 abra na Akufo-Addo put his presidency on the line put a ban on Galamsey na NDC for ni bisu nam kuntina se I promise Galamsey as monto aba na na eba ye bema mo kwan amadwuma na koso e hono mu say this NDC government omunye serious
yes and I'm right as no papa for them and I no pay and no for man so dubia also no de Galamsey no why na to go no gugu ono no say to aba man 4 years ni de adwuma no yen kan hu say yetumi nye bi na yen adwuma ti say because of ye beto aba and a one man for what dey yin ni say yetumi nye de yen adwuma yen pese adwuma ne be Galamsey beto Ghana beto Galamsey ana yedwuma na ye no so sisie na do Vanguard for no mu da so ho and the prayer sa crackers say ye to aba wi a mu be share sa Vanguard ni mu kina ye ntena say e ma aba we mebu edwuma tie enti no mu ye edwuma na pese be wesi mu nyina mu time mu mfere mabusuafo na mu make sure say aba no nyina ko to ama John Dramani Mahama ye de wo mu ni yenim say nyame bo amande na eto aba no ye ne mo site owners for be kasa yenim say dum be ko srem edum be ko be bebre so mko so be so be to aba wa AI nti na ne ka say after by Friday omu break mu na obi antumi enya pepeye no ntumi antumi fa na busuafo na Monday ni duru a ye nyina ye de ekoto aba ye to aba ni wie enye say ye ko ye bet na ho ama wa bobo aba na wie na ye Galamsey ko ye make sure say aba na ya to ama na eri Mahama no ye tumi akan na Mahama ye de ntumi na ye to aba ni wie on the 7th on the 8th on the 9th ye bo aba na Mahama ye wini na mumra mbe ye boduma obi a me kasa
I don't know. Send a pay for no Etikan. Send a money no, Mr. Galamsey. And now, Mekano, Yamiadum. This is Yami Buana Mutama John Dramani Mahama. Namutama Abubakar Sadika. Namuti said, Your Mama adding to him. I got a Sadik adding to him. That's the difference one. Muya Majuma. Namu told you to her. So I have a Katama. Muti who? Wait, where you pay for this? If you are Tremo, my answer about never more as one who buy. Vanguard no Omunguno. Vanguard no Edaso. About 20 no my day. In my money, I knew who some Vanguard day. Oh, if you are Tremo, your Dutch about on a day. Yes, I'm going to get a massive. Let's go Shramo. Okay, therefore, Obiane is saying, Obiane too sure. Obiane too sure.
They can't do anything about Galamsey. They were just soothsayers. omu making noise. They were just noise makers, taking advantage of the mayors of Galamsey to sabotage the then government, to seek favor in the eyes of Ghanaians. Now, a crocodile John settings. They didn't care. They never cared about the weapon of this country, Ghana. They just needed to do everything to win power. I knew it. I'm not surprised with the current happenings when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. Anyhow, Ghana, yes, you're feeling me. I'm not surprised. But this same Ghana issue, no back here, 2024, no. Now Ghana so far could them now no elbow ku forward what you say were fairly. Emma, like play. Baumia, you could train Baumia so 2024 elections in 7 December. You're 2 Tiana. Near 2 Tiana, Galamsey that's so coso. Giddy. I'll fake one and so baby banana as a year for us and I came with a muda. You muko sales wuno. Bianca Galamsey Andrew Hodan and Negalamsey Andrew. Am I yes, such as in Suga Krakan, yes, saying na. Na and I'm so eman and say was off for Becassa, Yaminipa. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams Chilumu said, Ye won't pie. Na you sooner any assassin Galamsey no. Young vampire ain't healing those things. Tresse. A movie free say ye take decisive action. A movie from there, I believe say young fanco yammy and monco vampire. And small of a camera, not for Yardine, Cobago said, you know, young faster than Yame. Not young fire how you never two yammy or junior home. Let you also come and for Yardine. And also for Sony Papiake. Oh, someone will quite heavy about. Oh, also for heavy about. I'm a guy or catches or call heavy honor or call heavy honor. Or who Range Rover, and who bent is or who cast no heavy.
Many surprises when I went to heaven, things that I don't even talk about because I can't make sense out of it. Like I saw cars in heaven. I saw Elder Saki in heaven, and he was riding a beautiful car, a white Range Rover, and it was shining like a diamond, and his whole body was full of light. And I said, Papa, and I was shocked. I was in a shock to see a Range Rover in heaven, and I said, no, it's impossible. There can't be cars in heaven. This is heaven. Then the angel said, have you not read and have you not been told that the streets of heaven is made out of gold? Then it makes sense that streets are made for cars.
Also, for you, Kumasa, walk heavy about. I got lots of I already have also for you, walk heavy about. It's like I found pie into them. I said, I'm going to be Mijidi. But Oheneba David is there be. Also for it me for doing conventional. So you found pie into Galamsey as there be. Won't me carry from conventional. Oheneba Chilemu said, Say papa ni mumpire ba neba soft penny mu oba etimi e man no video no be post to social media or no ad leak ever want ne bompire fa se san oba enya Ghana mpire bompire fa sa wani mu ho a ho sele yesu ni mu ho a ho sele edu ni mpire ba boma oba fa je oba na oba di ngwa asem
no Duncan Williams insesini no we Joy News and the post enti nanka me dem empese me fa ne serious but Joy News answer no be post bibi say no omni se wan hwe ye betumi asi wom court nti nye easy so mo post rough sir. Joy News say Duncan Williams call for prayers to heal Ghana's lands and water. What ready full security concerns. Wan hwe aduane kom ne niema nsukom ne ade bebenti no. Instead of say obe jai Jimmy Atian leadership say we here measures we yemfa we nwu akwam no. Duncan Williams say here prayers. Hey, says me. But our action chapel be am bacha o man so. When the action chapel na me man kra na fa comment section no. Na wo wonsa ye 5 anka me nim ne obey you. Sa wonsa ni nyina se itime twetwe bai e na wutumi so mic mu hia ka menim ne obey Ghana ho nyame nim pa na okeka bi firi ho no nyame nim e na osoma atafira me ekeka wonsa so no kwa hieto e na wo se ye de mpaibo e solve asasi so kom wo ha na enkofo eko global ho ahwan meeting Global one many a more daddy meeting. Kasi hunu. Jise mu jimia ni abani ababe ya mona moto wono matwemu mu akoye di matam uti se membuo. ye wahana wunkwasi etiresi wunkwasi akonso ube jina ho I arrest the dollar makadabo madagesha the any spirit that is fighting our economy I pray and devastate and stop and cry and do in the name of Yeshua Mahaya ujimi wo bomba yeti a dollar and a dollar no kura de gye no ho na ni America wow wana krono wonkwasi ampaye no wonkwasi tons wo Duncan Williams wo born Ghana sa wo de chi dollar agina ho dollar isu America you say about 20 anto no enne wasan de ujimi asan basi ye mompaye yansan mompaye emma asase abrawunim se galamsey na ese yensase ni Yesu wo be frɛ ama ye di good measures ye jai pesemin kuminya ne sa amwade no waye wafu birim wo hwene pafo wuti kutu wonsasini wo hwa ne wo kwate wo kwate se akokono abuo funu abuo nini funu mo jimi na mugu Ghana ho menim so no so Ghana no wote no wo baba ipola eba no afitiri ni tunum ekise kokobo a wo pa akoko ache no Duncan Williams ye sempai botumi sisanyema wo ba Daniel ne ba ipola kakraka eba pem no ada no afini tunum eba pem no afini tunum ukoto Daniel sanye Daniel fuaye akwala ketua emse mecheni bebiri Daniel kan ho pem no afini tunum yale ha kwala mo fifini trum wo mampa ye ntia sa yale we wo ja ho be bompa ye magana nyina na aboa mpa ibo bet wo mpa ibo ebetimi asesa Ghana nyina ha Duncan Williams wo mpa ibo funu wo tonso funu etimi sesa Ghana nyina ha wo baba ipola untumi nsa Daniel bipolar ba etrumofi etrumu afefi na wo Daniel so trumofetiasis na ache oba no trumofetiasis wo fefi ni trum wura na yisesi anu afi ni trum wontumi mo mpa ye healing no obeba mpa ye healing Ghana ye massa jaisa ujimi mpa e bono because ubo ba akoma dollar no so American nyame ene hu ye mobo kasa amre dollar no mai enye don mahama na akoyi $13 billion akoto or the saying dollar abegu Ghana ka me ne wo kasa yi kwasia we ya wa hanu ma be say I travel to heaven, and brethren, when I traveled to heaven I saw God, and there was a Range Rover, white Range Rover. And as I'm talking to you, I still remember when I went to heaven, and I won't. When I can, it could be so. No, so in your Bible, any na nediano. What the moon niema, and niema chagun and so abrochire pa. Kawe yachena akwa ko declare and say when you mental musiasis. Say abrochire kawe omachino. Because when you mark a cram Nancy, I'm sorry, Mark Nancy. Germany, Pewajo, man, near Busa, or what? And your friend hallucination, and but I'm a broth, mammy. Hallucination and a hallucination. Well, near matitative voice. I am calling on the government of Ghana, John Dramani Mahaman Akras, who has healing. A doctor form fa, a soft form for sanctity, hallucination, me that's it. Monkosha ni osoli amahuwe mi se we wa ha china wo betwa jato asoliman wo wa sha asie kokko heaven ko hu Range Rover white no be ka chance nyame se munyina mo nhye mo ho na mo mra na obi amaje Range Rover white asoliman na wo bechi wo mo paranoid wo be hye wo munyina tie se ye wen the whole Ghana no ye yes hadie no psychosis. Yes, I no near I suffer moon near man. Ambassador Magdalene and wanting what I say near man and now said yen. Hey, come on by my wing, a boy, wait, mine. Wo yale. Duncan Williams, wo yale papa. Won tiapo. Wo fu brim kwasia. Wo de kwate fun ati asori dem ma wo yiri gani jawo. Wo kwate ntimi nya aduma na fu ade ne kwate nyina wo fu brim. Won sai wo di si hen. Ka wanya yiri aboa preach na oba wi ade ambie ma ya to collection sika wo fie ka gu o dan nie. Ka do nsa sini wo de bo yini no to na ade pass. Na wo ne to sa po na do nsa sini na bo ne to kwa. Dina no wa wuro no na de na to do nsa twene twa pa. Wa woni mu da bi o. Ne kwate nya adwuma na fu brim ne kwate na ka kwasha no ha. Otumi ni ire. Ena wasale anu asheda. The Lord told me I should go to Zambia and preach to them. So I'm going. Abua. Schizophrenia was a schizophrenia. And Dr. Fosu would be in Padme. Kwasia, we went to many near it. Went to many near it. At the Azan, whoa, Yami to me, baby, could out. No, my head down here, Kobo Bossy can be the Yama woman. Now, sorry, them were near the Ashisha baby. Now, a Gideon can't take Kwasia. Who bet me as a Gideon can't. And near my city to many opian or there be a deny. Trust Yami be amphobia, a riding country will move as a one kind or bois. Duncan Williams said bois. A yazan packaging. Ya yanny at ya 20 panading. One more magic PhD, almost see doctors, engineers, lawyers, no makugu. No makugu. When you read Ganija, when you are getting say one walibi because Okwati, won't mean you know. One walen so I met an so niquaticum. Or ya make a program, Hammy, Wabwa, for a while and a bias society say, Obekomukana say, another maintain once a bit, Obetino, not to say gate man, aiding it our yedin. Ubekomuna a ye for ya and a driver for beyond aiding it our yedin. Because you were fire, I see it near were fire. And then no coffee cacrane and Kajadian Yakakra, Ashayama, we have no swati. Why, where as upon a cocoya tamitak, as ye do cocoya tamitak. Conyan you won't soon Yantumuna, we have from now mount. When we say, why we be a quo we.
We don't say Oheneba David, Abeka, in response to Nsemwa, as of Penyah Archbishop Duncan Williams, we can see a mom pie and for STUP GALAMSEY or Ghana Hanamono. Oheneba say Infinity, or not a clash with Duncan Williams. We wait until the wide in their mammy, or comment section. I Penyah Black Media.